a junior high school in a third-tier city in China. I'm gonna pick up my sister and Anne from school today. Let's check out her school. The view is pretty good. The boxes outside are the students, books, and the stuff. There are gonna be around 50 people in a class. Anne's school has a military-style management, which means strict discipline, fierce competition, and full-time closed management. The teachings like being civilized, polite to respecting teachers, and striving for progress are going to be written on the wall. PE tests are included in the junior high school exam scores, so the school ain't gonna neglect physical exercise either. Bummer, I can only take pictures of the cleaned up dorm. The students are already itching to start their vacation. Each dorm room houses 8 students. 8 people wash up at the same time every morning and evening, but they can get it done within 30 minutes. That's really awesome. Junior high school students have 13 classes a day. Classes start at 6:30 a.m. and end at 9 p.m. They have a total of 9 subjects, including politics, geography, biology, and so on. It's really tough. That's why my sister's so stressed out that she wanna blow up the school every day. Anan's off today, but she's gonna have makeup classes in 3 days. So my mom asked me to hang out with her for the day. Middle schoolers hardly get any breaks these days, you know. First pit stop. We're hitting up hotpot, everybody's favorite. Will, Annie and I are both crazy about spicy hotpot. The shrimp paste slaps. Mom made an exception and let Anan get her nails done for once. Lucky for her, YiyiLiuinChina hotpot was offering free manicures, so she got this super cute candy apple design. Simple but adorable. Don't miss out on this rare chance. After lunch, let's go try some hands-on, intangible cultural heritage crafts. Go in for scented candles. It's a piece of cake. That candle's color looks just like the ice in Antarctica, so gorgeous. Arranging the decorations above the candles took me forever. I was totally trying to make it look like some dreamy fairy tale world. So here's the finished product. What do you guys think? And went with the traditional craft, claw eisen and enamel. YiyiLiuinChina shiny copper wires onto wood, piece by piece, to create art. Then just the glue on some fine sand and adjust the color. Well, the original picks like this. Anan's finished product is indeed much simpler. Alright, let's hit the mall. It's 8 p.m. The perfect time when things are really buzzing. Anna got herself a penguin plush eye. Gonna grab some snacks to take home. Background music is Heavenly Wish, which fits the New Year vibe perfectly, super jolly and festive. Liqueur-filled chocolate cream sandwich cookies. This jelly isn't just yummy, it's also super fun to eat like being a kid again. Take a bite. I'm totally into wafer cookies. Wow, so many flavors of chips. This spicy crayfish one. Spicy beef jerky. All kinds of spicy strips. These little spiced eggs are so bite-sized. The whole family just loves. Grab a bit more. Mashed potato turkey noodles. This instant noodles got great texture, plenty of seasonings, and even the broth tastes awesome. No Chinese person can resist spicy sticks. They come in all kinds of flavors. While snack stores actually sell daily necessities too, stuff like toothpaste, pads, laundry detergent, they're all cheaper than other places, and they're on sale today. Bread is perfect for brekkie. Wow, check out that huge jelly. Too many kinds of drinks and milk. Anan's totally crazy about blueberry-flavored drinks. Alrighty, that comes to $8. My name is Yiyi. Hope y'all have an awesome day. And I'll catch ya in the next video.